Welcome to the heart of Mazda's innovation, the Hofu Plant in Japan. Here, skilled craftsmen bring the Mazda CX-90 to life, blending cutting-edge technology with meticulous attention to detail. Watch as raw materials transform into Mazda's flagship SUV. From the precision welding of the chassis to the careful installation of the powertrain, every step is executed with utmost care. The CX-90's sleek body takes shape, showcasing Mazda's signature Kodo design. Witness the marriage of form and function as each component finds its place. As we near completion, the vehicle undergoes rigorous quality checks. Finally, the CX-90 emerges a testament to Mazda's commitment to excellence and driving passion. This is more than just an assembly line. It's where Mazda's vision of the future becomes reality.